Happy morning, students. Welcome to grade 6 English class. Today we are going to learn our third composition. The last class we have practiced two composition, that is letter writing. One is from formal and another one is from informal letter writing. Now let's practice our third composition. Look at the title, children. Notice writing. Notice writing is our third composition. N-O-T-I-C-E. Notice. Notice writing. W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Notice writing. The main purpose of composition is to develop your writing skill without any grammatical mistake. So listen, children. Here our third composition is notice writing. This also gives more importance for about writing. Here a notice, the title is notice writing. Notice, that is, a notice means it's a short composition. Notice writing is a short composition written in order to convey some important information or instructions to people who could be interested in it. Again listen, children. That is, the notice writing means it is a short composition. It must be written in order to convey some important information or instructions to people who could be interested in it. Now look at the definition for notice writing. A notice is a written or printed statement that gives information or a warning to people. Listen, children. Notice writing, that is, a notice means it can be in a printed way or it can be in written way also. This notice must be in a statement which gives, that is, a notice gives information or a warning to people. If you want to give some information, some message to more than one people, that is a more number of people, you can type or you can write a message in a form of notice writing, that which you can share to everyone in that place or to whom you have to share. So for that purpose we can use this type of writing, that is notice writing. A notice should be brief, clear and precise in instructions. It should be written in an easy to understand language. Listen, children, again. Notice writing means it is a short composition which can be written in order to share the information or to convey some information or to convey some message or instructions to people who could be interested in it. So again listen the definition, children. A notice is a written or printed statement. It can be in a written way also or it can be in printed way also. This notice is a statement, printed statement or written statement which gives information or warning to people. So more number of people we can give this message in a, that is, a notice can share the message to number of persons, a number of people. A notice includes at least 3 parts. Listen, children, a notice writing must include 3 parts. The first, date and day of the week and time. The day, date and everything should be written, should be mentioned there. Second, the place must be written in that. Next, activity, what is the concept, what is the reason, what is the message you want to share. The 3 things should be included in the notice writing. The first one is the date, time and then week should be mentioned. Second one, place, and third one, what is the activity is about. So that is known as notice writing. Listen this important point, children. A notice is a formal means of communication. Notice writing is a formal thing, formal means of communication. For this notice writing, we should not share any personal things, whereas here notice is means of communication, formal means of communication. So it should not carry your personal thing. It is a formal means of communication to share or to give some information to others, so that is known as notice, but it should be only in a formal way. The communication should be informal. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Here the notice writing is to announce some information or to display information. Display means you all know that in our classroom, in our classroom a notice board will be there. In that a message or some information about regarding competitions will be pasted, or whether in a typed way it will be pasted in the notice board. The students and the teachers can visible that, and they can know the message about the competition. So that is known as notice writing. This way you can see in our school itself, children, the red color notice board will be there. In that notice board, every month or when the competition is to be organized, it will be mentioned in the notice board. Whoever interested can watch the notice board and they can participate. So listen children, notice writing means it's a short composition written in order to convey important information or instructions to people who could be interested in it. Notices are generally meant to be pinned up on specific display boards either in schools, educational institutions or in public places. Yes children, that is a notice means it can be in a pinned up. Okay, how it is kept in our school, that is a notice board is there. In that notice board, the papers, the printed papers, we can pin that. So that is the message given here. Notices are generally meant to be pinned up on specific, it is displayed in the classroom. Each and every classroom the notice board is there, and regarding the competitions or some information wanted to share to the students, it will be typed and it will be pinned in the notice board to display. It will be displayed in the notice board. Notices issued by the government appear in newspapers. So notices, that is a formal means of communication by the government. We can notice in the newspaper. In the newspaper we can find this type of, that is a formal means of communication. The government appear in the newspapers only. That the notices issued by the government will be appear only in the newspapers. Notice writing is a formal means of communication. So this is the formal means of communication. It is a short composition. It can be displayed. That is a notice writing can be displayed. It is a formal means of communication. The purpose of notice writing is to bring to notice a certain piece of information to a group of people. For this notice writing, that is in the notice board, a message can be pasted, that is a pinned. It can be in a written format or it can be in the printed way also. When you paste or pinned the message, that is a printed way, in the notice board, everyone can see. Not a single person, a group of people can watch that and they can gather the information or they can know about the message which is mentioned in the notice board. It is not for a single person work, it is for a group. So the message we can learn from the notice board is meant for a group of people. They are generally pinned in any common area. Notice board can be in the common place, whereas it won't be in a unknown place, whereas this notice board can be pinned in the common place. They are generally pinned in any common area. If it is pinned only in the common area, everyone can watch the message. Where the concerned people can read it. Where the concerned people can read it. The person who are moving this side and that side, they can look at the message. The students in the school, they can watch the notice board and they can understand the information or they can understand the messages which is pasted in the notice board. Important tips to be followed while writing a notice. Listen carefully, children. There are certain tips are there to be followed while writing a notice. What are they? Look at the first one. Adhere to the specified word limit of 50 words. That is, while writing a notice, it should not be in a lengthy way or it should not be in a complicated way. If it is a lengthy way, the person who is reading that notice won't be in interest to read that. Only they just have a look and they will went off from that place. So listen, children, this notice should be in a short way, but it should cover the entire message what you have to share to the people. The word limit should be minimum, you can say as the maximum 50 words. The word limit can be maximum 50 words. So listen, children, you have to concentrate first on the word limit. How you have to write, what is the message you have to convey. Only the short message, short information you can write it in the notice. Your notice should not be in a lengthy way. If it is a lengthy way, the attention of the people will be less, whereas your notice will be, if your notice is in a short way, that is within a word limit of 50, the person can be attracted in your notice. Next one, write the word notice at the top. While displaying your notice in the notice board, at the top you have to write the word as notice. Look at the spelling, N-O-T-I-C-E. You have to first write the topmost place as notice. If you write the word as notice only, then it will be attracted by the other people who have to look at that. That is who want to get the message. The person can have a look on that. So write the word notice at the top. The next point, name and place of the school, organization or office issuing the notice should be mentioned. Listen, children, first you have to write the word as notice at the top of your notice. That is very important. After that, you have to keep in mind that the main important thing is to mention the name and place of the school. Either the notice is regarding a school or it may be about some organization or about some office. So you have to mention the name of that school or institution name and also place. These two things are very important while writing your notice. Office issuing the notice should be mentioned. That is, who is issuing the notice. So that company's name, or it may be the name of the institution, or it may be the name of the organization, should be written. The next one, give an appropriate heading. The heading should be important. After writing the title as notice, the next heading. Heading is very important. On reading the heading itself, the person can understand that what is the notice is regarding, what is the message is about, whether it is about a competition or it is about a general message. So the heading is very important. First, you have to write at the topmost as notice. The next is the name and place of the institution or organization. Next, you have to give more importance to give the title, that is a heading. Next, write the date of issuing the notice. The date should be mentioned. You have to give the importance to write the date. So if the date is mentioned, the person who is reading that notice can understood that when the note, that is the organization, is going to conduct the competition or when is to be filled the work. So everything should be mentioned according to the date. So date is very important. The next point you have to keep in mind, clearly mention the target group, that is for whom the notice is to be displayed. Clearly you have to mention the target group, means that is for whom the notice is to be displayed. The notice is to be displayed for the students or is to be displayed to the staff members in the institution, or it may be in the organization. So that must be clearly mentioned in the notice. The next one, purpose of the notice. This is the content, children, purpose of the notice. what is the notice is about, what is the message the person want to convey through the notice. That is a message want to convey through the notice to the people. So what is the important thing? Next one, mention all the relevant details. You have to mention the date, time and the venue, means there is a place to be taken place, the place to be taken place, date, time and then place. These three things should be written. Next one, signature and name and designation of the person issuing the notice. The person who is typing the notice, who want to deliver this information or who want to convey the instruction, that person's name, signature and also designation should be mentioned in the notice. Next one, put the notice in a box. So the notice should be in the notice board only. It should not be in a corner way. It should be in a public place. Children, now look at the format while writing a notice. This is the format, children. That is the most important thing. Format while writing the notice writing. The first one, name of the organization. Name of the organization or the name of the school or name of the institution should be written. This is the first thing. That is the name of the organization, means it refers to the name of the institution of which the person writing a notice is a part of it. It is written on the top of the page. It helps the readers identify who issued the notice. So listen children, the first thing is to mention the name of the organization. This is the format, children. You have to keep this format in your mind while writing the notice writing. So listen, the first thing is the name of the organization. What is this meaning of this? That is the name of the organization, means it refers to the name of the institution. That is the name of the school of which the person writing a notice is a part of it. If you mention the name of the institution or name of the organization, the person can easily identify that who is issuing this notice. It helps the readers, that is the person who reads the notice can identify that who issued this notice. The second one is the title, that is the notice. This title says notice. It tells the readers know that they are going to read the notice. So the next is the title you have to write, children. If you write as the title, then the person can understand that there is a message they want to read. They are going to read the notice. They can understand that they are going to read the notice. The third thing you have to keep in mind is date. The first one is the name of the organization, second one is the notice, and third one is the date. The date is written on the left corner of the notice. Listen carefully children, the date should be written on the left side corner of the notice after leaving a title. That's a tile. A line should be left there. After that you have to write it there. As the notices or the formal communication, date of issuing a notice is very important. This is the formal thing. The notice writing is a formal message. So here you have to give more importance for the date. The date should be written in a proper format which is clear and easily understandable. So the date should be written only in the left side corner of the notice. So listen carefully children. First you have to write the name of the organization. And then next step is the notice and third step is the date. Date should be written in the left side corner of the notice. After that, after leaving a tile, as the notice is the formal communication, date should give more importance. The date should be written in the proper format which should be clear and which should be easily understandable to the reader. The next one is the heading. Heading explains what is the notice about in brief. Heading should reflect the content of the meeting. It is just like a subject of an email which gives a synopsis or purpose of the communication. So listen children, here heading is very important. Then heading gives the explanation about the notice about in a brief way. Heading should reflect the content of the meeting, should give the message of the meeting. It is just like a subject. How you are writing a letter writing, when you write the subject, the person who is reading that letter, if they read only the subject, they can easily understand the concept of that letter. So likewise here the notice writing, heading gives an important place. The next one is the body of the notice. Body of the notice includes the main content for which the notice was issued. The body should contain all the necessary information recorded in the notice, like time of an event, venue of the event, and a date, and it should be written in a passive voice without the use of first person. So listen carefully, children. Here this notice writing, the first you have to write the name of the organization, second is the notice, and third is the date, and fourth place is the heading, and then you have to give more importance for the body of the notice. Here what information is to be provided and to whom, that you have to write. The next date, time and venue of the event should be written, and some important details. What are some other important details you can write in this body? After completing this body, you can write mention the signature of the person issuing the notice and name of the person issuing the notice, and also his or her designation. Children, now take your composition notebook. The last class we have completed up to 2 composition, that is exercise number 1 formal letter, and then second is the informal letter. So 2 letter writing we have completed. Now we are going to write the third composition, that is notice writing. Take the new page. If you have spares in the second composition also, don't continue there. Take the first page, that is the next page. Take a new page. For the question, you have to write only in the left side of your notebook. So first you have to be clear with which is left side and which is right side of your notebook. First, the same way how you have written the questions in the second composition, the same way you have to follow, children. So the questions should be written only in the left side of your notebook using black color. So again listen, take a new page and you should write. First mention the exercise number. Mention the exercise number as exercise number 3, and then today's date, that is 29/7/2021. In the center you have to mention the title as notice writing. NOTICE, notice writing. WRITING, notice writing. So first you have to write the exercise number and then date. The title is notice writing. After that, take a scale pencil and draw the line. By the next line, you should not start from the margin. Give some space, that is a finger gap, and then you can start the question. Question you have to write only using black color. So keep in mind, children, left side you have to write the question and it should be in the black color. So listen. First listen, then you can take down in your notebook. You are Ram Kumar, the head boy of Bharati Academy, Namakkal. Draft a notice for the school notice board asking the students to give their names for taking part in the inter-class swimming competition. So listen, children. Here the question is mentioned that your name is Ram Kumar. You are Ram Kumar, the head boy of Bharati Academy, Namakkal. So here your name is Ram Kumar and you are the head boy of Bharati Academy. Head boy means there is a school leader. You can say as the school leader. The head boy of Bharati Academy, Namakkal. Draft a notice. So here draft a notice means that you have to write a notice for the school notice board. For the school notice board, you have to type a notice or you can write in a written way also. Notice for the school notice board asking the students to give their names for taking part in the inter-class swimming competition. That is, the inter-class swimming competition is going to be held in your school. So you are requesting the students to participate in it. That is, you are giving information or instructions to the students to participate in the inter-class swimming competition. So this is the message, children, or can say this is the notice. So first you have to mention the exercise number 3 and then date, notice writing title. Take your scale pencil, draw the line. The next you can write the question using black color. This everything you have to write only in the left side of your notebook in a new page. Don't continue from the second composition. Take a fresh page and you should start this third composition. Children, after completing your left side, that is the question. Now take your right side of your notebook. Listen carefully, children. The left side is meant only for question, whereas the right side should be used only for writing the answer. So listen carefully. Take the right side of your notebook, the same exercise number. Here you have to use only the blue color. So mention the exercise number 3, and then date 29/7/2021. In the center, you have to write the title as notice writing. So mention the exercise number and then date, write the title as notice writing, and then take your scale pencil, draw the line. So this is the first step, children. The answer should be written only in blue color and it should be in the right side of your notebook. Question should be in the left side and it should be in black color, whereas this answer should be only in blue color. After writing this exercise number, date and then title, the next step, the notice, keep in mind children, the notice writing should be written only in the box. You have to draw the box, or that is after completing the notice, you can give the outside box. So listen children, notice writing should be in the box. So after writing this title, leave one line. By the next line, you can write in the center. What is the steps, children? That is the format or writing a notice writing. Can you remember? Yes, the first step is the name of the organization or name of the institution. You have to write it. So here, according to the question, what is the name of the institution or organization is mentioned? Look at your question. Yes, the name of the institution here mentioned is Bharati Academy or organization which is mentioned in the question. You have to write it here. Whereas in this question, it is mentioned as Bharati Academy. So same thing you have to take and write here as name of the organization. So in the center, you have to mention as Bharati Academy, Namakkal. So this is the first step, children. The first step, you have to mention the name of the organization. Recall the format of notice writing, children. The first step is to write the name of the organization. So here it is mentioned as Bharati Academy, Namakkal. The next line is notice. The next line, the center, compulsory, you have to write this as notice. If you write the notice only, the person will have a look that this is the notice, that this is the information or the instruction shared to the people. So listen children, the center first you have to write the name of the organization, that is the Bharati Academy, Namakkal. The next line you have to write as notice. The next writing the heading. Heading is very important, children. Here you have mentioned as inter-class swimming competition. What is the competition is about? The competition is inter-class swimming competition. The next step, you have to mention the date. That is 29th July 2021. That is a today's date. You are going to write it here because you are typing this notice only today. That is, you are preparing this notice only today. So 29th July 2021. The next, look at the body. Body should convey about, this is to inform all the students that an inter-class swimming competition will be held on 10th August. So listen children, what is the information it is shared? This is to inform all the students. The message is to inform for all the students that an inter-class swimming competition will be held on 10th August. Here, listen carefully, in the body of the notice, what information is to provide and to whom. So that is the first step you have to keep in mind. So for that purpose, here it is informed that the information is about inter-class swimming competition and is to be provided to whom? To all the students of Bharati Academy. And the next step is date, time and place. Everything should be mentioned. So listen children, this is to inform all the students that an Inter-class swimming competition will be held on 10th August. When will be the competition take place? Yes, the competition will be held on 10th August. Next point. Students who want to take part in the competition should give their names to the undersigned by the 5th of August. Students who want to take part in the competition should give their names to the undersigned by the 5th of August. So listen children, the competition will be held on 10th August. Whereas the participants, the students who want to participate in this competition should give their names to the undersigned. Here undersigned means the person who is issuing this notice, the person, the name of the person, that is the Ram Kumar, the head boy of Bharati Academy. To that person, to that head boy, the person, the participants should give their name before, that is by August 5th. So the person, the students who want to take part in the competition, the inter-class swimming competition, should give their names to the head boy Ram Kumar by 5th of August. So this is the format to write the notice writing children. So again listen children, this is the notice writing, and here the steps is given how to write this notice writing. So on the left side of your notebook, first you have to mention the exercise number and then date, the title, and then question. Everything you have to write using black color the left side of your notebook, whereas this answer you should write only in the right side of your notebook using blue color. Then first you have to mention the exercise number, date, and then title, draw the line, then you have to draw the outside box for writing this notice. For the notice writing means it should be in a box. So after writing this, the left side corner only you have to mention the signature of the person issuing the notice, name of the person issuing the notice with his designation. Here the person name is mentioned as Ram Kumar, as his designation is head boy. So that thing you have to mention in the corner, there is the left side, Ram Kumar head boy. So then you can draw the outside border. After completing this, take a scale pencil and then draw a line. Then next, look at the index children. You have to mention the index as exercise number 3 and then today's date 29/7/2021. The center you have to mention as notice writing. Index should be written children. So again listen, exercise number and then date, title, everything you have to write using blue color in the index page. Once again recall the format of writing notice writing children. Format of notice writing. The first you have to write the name of the organization, or it may be the name of the institution or an office that you have to mention. In our example, that is in our composition, we have mentioned as Bharati Academy, Namakkal. The next is the notice. Notice you have to write it. That is the title. The next date. Date should be mentioned. Date should be in the left side corner of your notice. So we have mentioned as 29th July 2021 in our composition. The next heading is very important children. Heading we have mentioned as inter-class swimming competition. The next we have written the body of the notice. Body of the notice, what you have to cover, what information is to be provided and to whom, date, time and venue, and any other important details. Here in our composition we have mentioned that the information for all the students that an inter-class swimming competition will be held on 10th August. And students who want to take part in the competition should give their names to the head boy of the school. So this is the body we have written in our composition. And the final thing is signature of the person issuing the notice, on the name of the person issuing the notice and his or her designation. That should be written in the left side of the notice. So listen children, the notice writing in our composition we have mentioned the name of the person issuing the notice as Ram Kumar and the designation is head boy. So this is the format to writing the notice writing. So keep this format and write in your composition neatly. Spell it and write, children. Write your composition neatly. The left side you have to use black color. Mention the exercise number, date and title. Use only black color and the question should be in the left side of your notebook. Whereas in the right side you have to write the answer and you have to use only blue color. Mention the exercise number, date, title. Draw the outside box and after completing the notice writing, take a scale pencil, draw the line. So this is the procedure to write the notice writing, children. Mention the index also, fill the index, mention the exercise number, date and then title also. After completing your composition, take a photocopy and send it to me. Thank you.